Hi guys, welcome to the session. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Hi Shivam, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. Hi Radhika, how are you? Waiting for your queries, Shivam. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I forgot. So what's your query like? Good evening, Radhika. How are you? Yeah, so you are not being able to. Great, Radhika. You're not being able to copy and paste the code, Shivam, is it? And Radhika, what about your issue? Is it fixed? Your website, WordPress, have they responded back to you? No, no response yet. Okay, Shivam, please tell me about your website, or you can share your screen. Yeah, you can do that. You can delete the plugin through FTP. FTP is where all files are get saved. So, okay, so what you can do is go to your control panel, Radhika, and there you will see FTP. No, no, you have access to control panel, right? For your domain. No, you don't have control panel. Like your website name, it's like, let's say this is my website and this is my control panel. Shivam, just give me a minute. I'll give you the access. Okay, okay. So can you see this FTP account? Files, FTP. So from here you can do that. So my account has not been created yet, but I can create here and log in. Configure FTP client. Here you can see the files. So somewhere from here only you can delete from control panel. Are you working with an organization, Radhika? Or that is your own setup? Okay. Okay, so you have your own company in Rajnagar. No, okay. So Shivam, there you go. I have made you the co-host. Please share your screen. I'm just stopping my screen share. Okay, you work there. Okay, that's great. So what's your profile there? Yeah, copy. Have you installed the plugin, Shivam? Yes, okay. So let's go to, yeah, let's go to your WordPress. Hi, Vinu, welcome to the session. We are just looking in Shivam's screen for now. He's facing some problem. So it's just gonna take couple of minutes, and after that we're gonna start. Okay, so now come to settings. Okay, okay. So you work on ERP. Okay, okay. Go to plugins only. Just directly go to plugins, and from there we will go to settings. Okay, that's great. Yeah, settings. Come down. And here you can copy and paste. Have you already done that, Shivam? Yes, okay. And it's not showing on your website, is that? Okay, so Shivam, it's gonna take some time. Is it verified by Google? Your website is verified by Google? Sure, sure. Go to settings here. Okay, not a problem, but let's just see whether your site is verified or not first. Go to settings, come down here, go to my sites. Okay, so Crunchy Talks, can you see here the status? Click on this drop. Okay, it's verified. Yes, okay. Now go back and you can copy and paste that code. Yeah, just go back on the WordPress. Yes, there you can copy and post and save it. And see the code, come down and see the pub ID, and let's check whether it's been updated on your website or not. Yeah, this is the pub ID, right? Yeah, let's just see this on your website. Right click. Now find that ID, because to activate that code it's gonna take some time. Okay, so from here we can just see whether that ID, just find control F, yeah, and paste that code. Yes, and search now. Yes, there you go, it has been added, but now activation may take some time. Okay, so let's just wait and you can let me know in another class. Okay. Okay, guys. One more problem. Okay, what's that? We have detected the following issues that affect the SEO of your site. The Google XML sitemaps plugin might cause issues when used in conjunction. Yeah, so you don't require this here. Just deactivate Google XML sitemaps, because SEO Yoast also provides sitemaps. Okay, so you can deactivate this. Simple. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, shall we move ahead now? So yes, guys, there you go. Any doubt, any queries from the previous class, guys? Guys, any doubt, any queries from the previous class in regards to the bidding that we have covered? Shivam says no. Was it clear? How about you, Radhika, Vinu? Vinu, you were there? Okay, great. Yes. So was it clear? Any doubt, guys? Yes, clear. Okay, that's great, guys. So we shall move forward today. Or let's just do a quick recap of our last class. Okay, so let me just open Google AdWords account. Okay, we are going to go to campaign. So guys, this is the completely new look and feel. Okay, and to create a new campaign, we're going to come here, add new. So we were doing search campaign, right? So I'm gonna click on search campaign. Okay, And guys, here you can see now, this is the new feature they have added. Use goals, which is like which you want, whether you want people to visit your website, that's it, or you want them to take some action, express interest on your website, buy something on your website, or call your business. What action you want them to take, right? So let's just create for visit your website only the traffic we want to generate. Okay, and here your, which is your business website. Right now we will not give this, and continue. Okay, and now we are going to create a campaign. So we were creating on real estate, right? So we will continue with the same thing, campaign and search network, and include Google search partners if you want. And let's just uncheck that for now because we don't get any reporting for search partners. Okay, so we are creating search network ad. So if you want to show this ad on display network also, then you can select yes. If no, then keep it like this. Otherwise, here we have only selected search network campaign. That's it. Devices, guys, as I told you in the last class, you can't change the devices when you create search ad, but when you create display ads, then definitely you can change the devices. Okay, so when we do display ad, then I'm gonna show you how you can edit the devices there. Whereas in standard, like in search ads, your ad copy will showcase on mobile, laptop, and desktop. Okay, and guys, you can select the location, and as I told you, just a sec, Radhika, I'll give you the recording permission. Just sorry. There you go. So guys, you can enter the location to target people. So let's say we can target Ghaziabad. Okay, and add this. Okay, so we have just included Ghaziabad here, right? And I hope you guys remember how to exclude, how to pin, drop a pin, and do search for the nearby areas. Yes, guys, you can do that. Have you guys tried doing it? Veenu, Radhika, Shivam, any one of you tried doing it? Shivam says yes, great. How about others? A little bit. Veenu says no. Radhika says yes. Veenu, you should try doing this because otherwise, once the sessions get over, you guys will forget everything. Okay, so please make sure that you practice simultaneously. Guys, you can select the language here. So we are just targeting English. Bidding, guys, is it clear? So as I told you, we are going to focus on manual CPC right now because being Google AdWords expert, you guys should be aware of, how to set bidding and when you can change the bidding and all. Okay, so we will stick with manual CPC. Any doubt with any of these, guys? Target CPA, return on ad spend, maximize clicks, maximize conversion, target search page location, target outranking share, and enhanced CPC, guys. So these all we have already covered. I would want you to know outranking share. You want to know? Okay. So guys, when you select outranking share, that means you can outrank your competitor's domain. Okay, so let's say if your competitor in real estate, let's say www.99acres. Okay, so Radhika might want her ad copy to showcase prior 99 acres. Okay, so you can mention here the domain which you want to outrank, and you want that your ad copy should be visible prior to them. Okay, and you can also mention target to outrank, like the percentage, like 100%, like every time you want them to outrank, or just in 50% of the scenarios you want them to outrank, 70% of the scenarios you want them to outrank. Okay, you can give that in percentage. Yeah, in this case, Google AdWords will play with the bid. They will decide the bid. We can just give the maximum bid limit. Let's say I say my bid limit is 150 rupees on every click. I cannot exceed more than this. Okay, so now Google AdWords know that they have to play within this amount only. They can't increase even a penny more than 150 bucks. Okay, guys. Make sense? Is it clear now? Outranking is clear? Shivam, Radhika, Vinu? Yes, great. Any other bid strategy? If not clear, then please let me know. ROS. Okay. So ROS is basically return on ad spend. Okay, that means how much you are expecting on, like, from manual. No, it's all automated. All automated, not for manual. I can show you here. So can you see automated bid strategies? These are all automated, Radhika, and this is only one which is manual. Okay. Yes, and that is ROS. I was telling you guys, that is return on ad spend. That means I am intimating Google AdWords that this is what I'm spending, and I am expecting 10% of this amount. So let's say if I am spending 5,000 rupees on this campaign, I want 10% return on this. Okay, then accordingly this system will work, the AdWords will work and align their resources to make my campaign optimize and get me that much amount of return. Okay, make sense, Shivam? Now how about others, guys? Okay. Yeah, but these all options, all advanced options, right? So mostly only those people who have no knowledge about AdWords, and they want Google AdWords only to take decision, and they just tell them this is my objective, right? This is my objective, and once the objective is clear, then AdWords will work towards it and optimize your ad copy either to get you more clicks or conversions based on your objective, right? And if you're well versed with this, then definitely you will go with manual. Okay. Yes, and guys, only practice will make you perfect, so practice as much as you can. Okay. Any other doubt, guys? Amongst bidding, it is very important part of AdWords. I hope you guys understand, because bidding, through bidding only you going to pay. Can't we do outranking manually? Manually as in, that's what I have answered above, Radhika. Manually in the sense like you want to set the bid manual there. You don't want, no, you can't do that. As I told you, these are all automated. You can see here automated bid strategies. These are all automated, and this is manual. Here definitely AdWords will play around with your bid, because if you do it manually, you will not aware like how your competitor is doing, right? But Google AdWords will make sure that they get your ad copy prior to the competitor's ad copy. Make sense? Clear? Okay, guys. So guys, this is the very important part of AdWords. I want you to guys practice as much as you can, because through practice only you will get well versed with the bidding part. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is, let's just select the manual CPC for now. And setting manual CPC has got one more benefit, which I'm going to tell you. Daily budget, guys, I'll tell you when we come on AdWords, okay? I'll tell you that benefit. Sorry, when we come on ad groups. Daily budget, guys, here you can enter a daily budget, the amount that you're willing to spend, let's say 1000 here, and manual CPC. Okay. So guys, you can see here, if their new version, they are not asking bidding at this area. Okay. Why? Because when we select manual CPC, guys, that's what I'm going to tell you about, that you can change your bid at the ad group level. Okay. For each ad group level, you can set different bidding, whereas it's not possible in automated bidding. In automated bidding, you can't set the bid at each ad group level, whereas when you select manual CPC, then you can set the bidding at each ad group level. Clear, guys? Make sense? So I'll tell you here. This is the hierarchy that we have done, guys. Account, campaign, and ad groups. These are the ad groups. Right? Ad group 1, ad group 2, ad group 3. Right? So when you guys select manual CPC at each ad group, guys, so let's say for these keywords, you are willing to pay $100. Whereas for these keywords might not be that competitive, so you are willing to pay $80. And for these keywords, you are willing to pay $50, right? So you can set your own bidding at each ad group level. Okay, base screen is freezed, is it? No idea how. No, it's not. Guys, please check at your end. Is it freeze for everyone? Okay. Great, guys. So yeah, I was telling you about the bidding. If you select manual CPC, guys, then at each ad group level, you can set your own bid. Make sense? Vinu, Shivam, Radhika? Okay, whereas if you select any of the automated one, okay, that will not allow you to set the bidding at each ad group level. Clear, guys? Only manual CPC will allow you to set the bidding at each ad group level. Okay. Move ahead. In here, guys, you can uncheck this as well. So as I told you, like if checking this enabled enhanced CPC, that means we are here also giving authority to AdWords to change the bid in order to get the maximum conversions. The bidding part, we know the bidding part, not the whole campaign, only bidding. We are here only talking about bidding. Okay. And guys, on checking this mark enabled enhanced CPC, here we again give the rights to AdWords to automatically adjust the bid in order to try to maximize conversions. However, we are setting it, but there might be a chances that we get busy and we don't look at the campaign and all. In that case, AdWords will make sure that they keep on working on the bidding part. So if you want to uncheck that, if you want to take the whole control, then you can uncheck this. Otherwise, you can keep it checked. Make sense? Clear, guys? Guys, if anything doesn't get clear, then please, I would want you to raise the question then and there, okay? Because these all parts are very critical. Then guys, you can set daily budget as I told you here. So you can set a daily budget. Then guys, you can see here delivery method. Either you can select the standard one or accelerated one. Okay. So I'll tell you what is accelerated and what is standard. Guys, any guesses? No, okay. Oh, sorry. Yes, so guys, delivery method is, you have two types. One is the standard and other is the accelerated. So guys, in standard method, you will get an option. Yes. So guys, here when you are running a campaign, for example, 9 a.m. to, let's say, 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, 5 p.m. And here you tell Google that please showcase my ad in different intervals, at various intervals, so that it keeps showing throughout the day. Okay, this makes the Google to show the ad copy at different intervals, or I would say evenly divide the evenly divide uh, divide to showcase the ad copy whole day. Okay, that means I tell Google that please showcase my ad copy at different intervals, okay, so that it keeps coming the whole day. Why it happens, guys? Because if the company who is running the ad copy, they already have a lot of traffic on their website, right? And when they run this ad copy, they again they receive again lot more traffic, okay, at one go, which they don't want. Which they want traffic to be coming evenly to their website. Okay, that's the reason we tell Google to showcase my ad copy throughout the day. And guys, within accelerated, it is like when I'm running an ad copy from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., right? In this, the Google will show my ad copy in continuation. Okay, so in continuation only, like from 9 they have started until 11, guys. Let's say, for example, till 11 I have consumed my whole budget. Okay, Vinu says, is that something that follows a person on different website? No, Vinu. Are you getting my point, guys? Radhika, Shivam, Vinu. Okay, so guys, here in accelerated, we will, if we want to tell, if we select accelerated, that means we'll ask Google to show our ad copy in continuation. We don't want any intervals or evenly distribution of my ad copy. We wanted to showcase as people come and search for these keywords, you keep showing the ad copy. So let's say till 11 a.m. only the budget gets consumed. The budget gets consumed and you get all the clicks for the day. Clicks for the day. Okay. And after this, guys, after 11 a.m., your ad copy will not show up, because you have asked Google to show it in continuation and you have consumed the complete budget and you have received all the clicks for the day. So after 11 a.m. your ad copy will not show up. For startups and all, this is very good option to go with the accelerated, but the companies who already have a lot of traffic on their website, they choose standard. Clear, guys? And standard is the one which is recommended also by Google. Or evenly distribute, I would say distribute the ad copy. Clear, guys? Any doubt between these two methods? Standard and accelerated. Okay, great, great. So we will just move ahead now. So guys, you can select here. I'll read out here also. Standard is spend your budget evenly over time, guys. Can you read this? Standard, spend your budget evenly over time, and if I select accelerated, that means spending budget more quickly. This may cause your budget to run out early. Clear? So let's go with standard right now. And then guys, here you can set the start date and the end date of your campaign. So let's say I want to start from 10th. I'll select 10th of July, and end date, I want to end in another 10 days. Let's say from 10th to 20th July, I'm running this campaign. Okay. So this is the start date and the end date, guys. Clear? Of the campaign. And then guys, you have the extensions. Now I will explain you the ad extensions. What is ad extension? These are very important part, and when you add the ad extensions within your ad copy, it will really add value to your ad copy. Okay, and your quality score will go up. Okay, then you will get good position. So let's say I search here diamond jewelry. Okay, let me see if I can find any ad copy. Guys, can you see this? These are all extensions, ad extensions. About us, contact us. These are the web pages that they're showing. These are called site links. Okay, I'll explain you from the very beginning. Let me just open the PPT which we were doing. So yes, guys, there you can see. Can you see my PPT screen, guys? So this is the ad extensions. So basically ad extension allow you to add additional information to your ads, because you guys have limited space, right? When you create an ad copy, you get a limited characters that you can write. There is a word limit, okay? So if you have these ad extensions, then it definitely add value. Like you can add different or like more information to your ad copy. Many of these extensions allow users to take different actions than just clicking on your ad. So you can allow users to take many other actions, like call on your mobile. You can give your mobile number, or you can share the location there. They can click on the location, they can click on the mobile. So all these different actions you can give them to take, such as installing an app, getting directions to your store, or calling your company. So this you can see is the ad extension, guys, right? Followers, you can see the address, school backpacks, hiking backpack. These are the different links of the websites. Okay, and this is the location and this is the mobile number. These are the different ad extensions which are added on this ad copy. Clear, guys? What is ad extension is clear? Shivam, Shivam, I can't see Shivam. Radhika, repeat. Okay. So guys, ad extensions are basically allow you to add more information to your ad copy. Simple. So here, as you can see in the live example, so you can see here, these are the links, right? This is all additional information. This is coming through ad extensions, right? This is the ad copy which is created. This is the ad copy, right? And in ad copy you got limited, word limit, right? So through ad extensions you can add more content to your ad copy, guys, and also you can give further links to your mobile number. So here, by clicking on this here, they will land, we will land on the website. Whereas if they would have given the phone number, mobile number, then I would have directly called on their website, and if they have shared the location, I would have directly seen the location from here and get the directions and all. So this is the ad extension, and here you can see these are the links of their existing website, different links. So if I click here, I might land on different web page, and when I click here, I will land on their about us page and contact us page directly from here itself. Is it clear now, Vinu? Okay. And here you can see, this is the example, this is the ad copy, right? And this information which is highlighted in yellow color, this is all coming through ad extensions, all coming through ad extensions. Okay. Then guys, these are the different extensions which are available to us. One is the site link extension. The site link extension allows you to put additional text into your ad. Each line of additional text is hyperlinked and must go to a page different than the ad. Okay, so guys, this site link extension means a hyperlink. Can you see this is the hyperlink? Okay, and when I click here, they will take me onto different page, right? On different page. If I click on this ad copy, I will land on different page, whereas on these different page, I will land on different web pages of the same website. Okay, these are called site links, which are the different web pages of the website. So if I want to showcase different web pages of my website, I can show here. And here guys, can you see this is the location? Location. Can you see this is the location? When I click here, contact us, I will land on contact us. So you can see I landed on contact us page, right? And if I click here, I will land on about us page, and if I click here, I will land on different page, right? So this is the collections page, which I can see now. Okay, this is called site links. Site links extension, which will actually take us to different web pages of the website. Okay, and these will be hyperlinked. Clear guys? Radhika, Vinu? After site link guys, we have location extensions. So as I told you, you can have an extension of the address of your business. The location extension allows the user to get directions to your address, right? So if you give the location, then user or the customer can directly click on that and get directions to your address. On a mobile device, this extension may open the Maps application on the phone. If you are trying to drive business into a store, this is a great extension to use. Here you can see the example of this. This is the address, and here also guys I can show you, this is the address, the location extension, right? So when I click here, so I will go to Google Maps guys. Can you see Google Maps? Clear? After this guys, we have call extension. If you want phone calls, this is a great extension to use. The call extension allows a searcher to call you from the ads. On a desktop device, the phone number is shown in the ad, right? In the ad copy. On a mobile device, when a user clicks on the call button, the phone dialer loads. Okay, so if anyone clicks here on the call button, you get to see this call option, right, on a mobile. Then directly people can call from here. Okay, and the charges will remain same guys. Okay, for every click, whether they click on the call button, you will pay on same amount. Okay, and if they click on the location, you will pay the same amount guys as you pay on a click. So here guys, you can also see the phone number, this phone number. It's coming right now as, in the because we are looking in the laptop, it's showing like this. But when you open this from your mobile, it will show up as a call button, as showcased here, okay. Then after the call extension guys, there is an, okay, great. So have you seen on the mobile, Veenu, just now? Great. So then you have app extension guys. The app extension allow you to link your ad directly to the Google Play or iTunes store. Okay. So here can you see this download Android app here. So anyone will click here, they will directly land to the, even if they're using Android phone, they will go to Play, Google Play, and if they're using iPhone, they will land to iTunes stores. Clear? If I'll see here the example of app, in this I will not be sure. No, here we don't see the example, but I hope you guys might be clear of this now. App extension, which will allow your users to download the app from the extension itself. Then you have review extension guys. The review extension allows you to quote or paraphrase a review from an independent third party. Okay, so if you have got a review for your business on any of the website, right, so you can mention here, you can share the URL of that, like the source which you want to share, for which you want to share the review. So you can see here, awarded an excellent rating and stellar service is the company. Okay, that is the rating review extension. Let's just see if we get to see here the review extension. Not now, not here. Okay, but you can add the reviews guys. If you're trying to showcase what others have said about your company, this is the great extension to use. Okay, that's it guys. Let's just go and look this in the AdWords. Yes, I have already shared this, Veenu. It's in the same PPT which I have covered earlier. Okay. Then guys, these are the site link extension. I can add links to the website here, create new site link and extension. So if Radhika can help me with any, Radhika, you have any website pages for Vasu infrastructure, right? Let's just go there directly. Layout, let's say layout and projects. These are the web pages. So we can add these two extensions here. Layout. Okay, if you want to give any description, you guys can give that. Site link URL, I have to give the URL of the site link where people will land. So I'll just copy from here and paste it here. Okay. Oh, sorry, here I have to give. Guys, I'll probably be sharing this tracking template later because this will confuse you. Let's not just do that right now. Let's just save this. So one site extension is added, and now I can add another one, which is projects. Okay, Shivam, ma'am, let Shivam in. Okay, sorry, I didn't. Sorry, Shivam, I didn't see in the participants. Thank you, Radhika. So yes, I was telling you about site link extension. So here I will give the name, which is projects. Thank you. And then let's just save and add. Okay, so these two site links have been added. Clear? Now you have call out extension, guys. Call out means if you want to give any other information about your website, right, or your business. So like if you're giving something free, register free for demo training. These were the ones which I have used earlier for creating my campaigns, but so you can like give anything, any other information if there is no shipping, no delivery, like something like that. Possession, you will get soon, something like that. Possession, right, Radhika? That will attract people, right? Or possession after 15 days of your first payment, something like that. So you can, guys can give call out extension here. Then you have call extension, guys. You can give the mobile number here, new call extension. So let's say I can give here the number India. Okay, and I can give my number here. Okay, call reporting. Yes, we want to on call reporting. Conversions, count conversion as calls from ads. If we receive the ads calls from the ads, then we want system to count that as a conversion. And device preference, yes, we want to showcase on mobile. Okay, because that only makes sense. From there only people can make calls and save an ad, right? So this is how you can add. Then click on additional settings, guys. These are all and like you can see now, structured snippet extensions, guys, is the one where you can give the value, like what value it will add. Value like any neighborhood insurance coverage. What are you giving like to customer? Degree program, destination, no. Courses. Yeah, but right now we are creating for, so let's say types, okay? Values, not t-shirt, types like residential property and commercial, right, Radhika? For example. So here we can save. If you want to add more values, you can click add and create more values. Office space, like that, right? Enter at least 3 values. So residential, commercial. Okay, so let's say office space, something like that. Bags, it's just the example they were showing, nothing related to hair. Okay. So we have added one structured snippet extension, review extension, guys. You can add reviews extension. If you have got some reviews anywhere, you can mention it here. The text, like what review you have got, let's say excellent property, something like that. And you can give the source, the website name, let's say any website name where you have received this review, and then the source URL. Here guys, the link where people can see. Clear? So I'm not adding this right now here. I'm not aware. App extension, guys, you can give the link to people to download the app. Click on new app extension here. So whether you want them to do Android or iOS, like for operating system, Android, let's say, and look up your app. There are no Android apps in your account. First of all, we need to add the apps in the account. Let me just show you that. I will show you guys how you can add the app to your account. Okay. And here you can give this download text or any other text you want to change. You can do that. Okay. Save and add right now. Okay. So we will do that later. Cancel it for now. Any text messaging that you want to add, guys. Let's say for India, I can give the number on which I want system to send the text message, right? So if they click on that, a message will be received. Business name and message text. Right? Clear, guys? Is it getting clear? Shivam, Radhika, Vinu? Okay, great. So guys, you can have messaging text also, promotion tag extensions, any promotions if going on. You can tell the people, yes, this is the item available, promotion details like on order only or promo code you want to share, something like that. These are all new additions, guys. That's why it's not updated in the PPT. I'll tell you, yeah, message extension and promotion extensions. These two are new add-ups by Google AdWords recently only. Like within this month only they have added these two extensions. Okay. So guys, these are all about extensions. Clear? Add extensions, clear, guys? Great. Then you have ad rotation. So guys, this is also very important, like how you want system to rotate your ads. So now guys, as I told you in this document, when I shared the hierarchy with you, yes. So guys, you create account, you create campaign, you create ad groups, and within ad groups, guys, you, for these keywords, you can create number of ad copies as well, guys. So let's say this is your ad copy 1, right? And then you can have different ad copy 2 within one ad group, ad copy 3. So guys, within ad group, you can have multiple ad copies as well. Why this functionality has been given by Google is so that you can do testing. This is called A/B testing, guys. A/B testing. Have you guys heard about this term, A/B testing? Yes, Radhika says yes. Great. So yes, so this allows you to do the A/B testing so that you can see which ad copy is performing good or performing well against other ad copy, right? So that you can take decision to remove either other ad copies and keep that particular one which is performing well, right? Or you can keep all the three copies and see whether the other copies can also perform or not. Make sense, guys? Is this point clear? So guys, you can create number of ad copies within one ad group, right? And when you create this, now can you see this ad rotation? From here, you will now intimate AdWords to optimize for clicks. So if you want number of clicks, if you want to increase traffic on your website, then you ask AdWords to optimize for clicks. Then based on all these copies, the ad copies that you have created, guys, you can see all the amongst these ad copies, AdWords will decide which ad copy will get them more clicks, and based on that only they will showcase that ad copy more in against other ad copies. Clear, guys? This point is clear, Vinu, Radhika, Shamu? Why I'm asking you again and again whether it's clear or not, because guys, this is very critical. Okay, so I want you to get a good understanding of all these points, okay? And if you want to optimize for conversions, right? If you want to optimize for conversion, like if your objective is to get conversion, then based on that, if you select this, then Google AdWords will showcase that particular ad copy more, which will get you more conversions. Okay, they will check at their end only. They will analyze the ad copy, and based on that, based on your objective, that particular ad copy will be showcased. Okay, so guys, if you select optimize for clicks, you can read here. Just a second. Show ads that are expected to get more clicks. This is the default setting. If you click optimize for conversion, show ads that are expected to get more conversions like purchases and signups. That means show those particular ad copy which will get them more conversions. And rotate evenly. You are not concerned. You just want them to rotate the ad copies evenly. So in this case, Google AdWords will showcase your ad copies. If you have created 3 ad copies, all those 3 ad copies will be rotated evenly throughout the day, right? So you can read here, show ads with lower click-through rates and conversion rates. If ads in the ad group are unchanged for 90 days, this ad rotation will automatically begin to optimize for clicks. So guys, here we are intimating we are not concerned even if the ad with the lower clicks and we are not getting any conversion there. Still, we want them to show those ads evenly for 90 days. You can see here up to 90 days. And till 90 days also, this ad rotation will automatically begin to optimize for clicks. After 90 days, the ad copy will automatically begin to optimize for clicks only. Okay? Clear? Rotate indefinitely, guys. This people don't really select that. Shows ads more evenly for indefinite amount of time. Like they show those ads also, like which are not doing very well. Okay, So there is no limit. Like you can see here, rotate evenly has got limit till 90 days, and after 90 days they will optimize for clicks, whereas indefinitely it will not optimize even after 90 days. Clear? Shivam, Radhika, Vinu, is this point clear? Okay. Then you have guys ad schedule. You can schedule the ad like when you want to showcase the time period. Let's say you can also change from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Each day you can change the timing. So let's say this is very important for people who are into restaurant business, right? If they have a restaurant, if they are running a campaign for breakfast, then they will select, let's say if they are open all days, they will select all days. If they are open Monday to Friday, they will select Monday to Friday timings for breakfast. If they're running this ad campaign for breakfast, right, then they will select from, let's say, 7. They will open 7 and till 11, for example. Okay. So, and if they are running a campaign for lunch, they can change it for lunch duration. So guys, you can schedule your ad copy, like the timings from when you want to showcase. And let's say you get more clicks on Saturday, Sundays, you can increase the timings first from Saturday to Sunday. Clear? Shivam, Radhika, Vinu, ad schedule is clear? Great. Then guys, location option, which we have already discussed on this. People in who show interest in your campaign and we want to exclude, we have discussed this in the previous class. Okay, campaign URL options, and this we are going to do this later on, guys. This is not of that important, and these are mostly in advanced level. This will confuse you as of now, right? And we will just save and continue this ad copy. No, sorry. So guys, now we have come on the ad group. Now the campaign settings have been saved. First, we have done the account. We have created the account. We have saved the account settings. Then we have created the campaign, done the campaign settings. And now we are at the ad group level. So from here, I can show you guys. Account settings done, campaign settings done. We are at ad group. And now what we are going to do, guys, keywords and ad copy. Clear? So let's just move here. Ad group name. So this, let's say ad group for residential. Default bid, guys. So now, as I had told you, at ad group level, I can set the bid. If I've selected the manual, at each ad group, I can define the bid. Okay, and now from here, I can enter the keywords. So if I give my URL of my website, guys, system is going to suggest me the keywords here only. Infrastructure. Okay. Real estate. Let's see if we find anything. Yes, there you go. Can you see here, guys? Home, property, buy new home, private houses for sale, realty website. You can see here, guys. And if you don't find anyone, you can simply write also the keywords, right? So you can say buy apartment, yes. Find property, house purchase, buy new home, private houses for sale. Okay. Any, if you apartment, real estate, anything which you don't find here, you can simply write also, guys. You can write the keywords. Okay. And let's say in one, I would suggest you not to exceed more than 10 keywords, guys. Okay, in one ad group 10 keywords are even a lot, but don't exceed more than 10. That's the maximum I can suggest you. Okay. And once you add this ad group, one ad group is added, guys, right? And now let's just save and continue. So guys, can you see this one ad group is created? Now I want to tell you, I have to tell the keyword match type. Are you guys aware of keyword match type? What is keyword match type? Have you guys heard about this term, keyword match type? Keyword match types. So guys, there are different match types which are available, which you can select, right? Let me just go to ad groups if I can. Let me just save and continue this for now. And let's just go to ad groups level, okay? Within ad groups, I'm here at the keyword, right? Can you guys see all these keywords that I have selected, right? So now I want, let's say apartment. This apartment, okay, let me just open the document that will give you more understanding. Yeah, there you go. Okay guys, so here you can see click-through rate is clear, right? We are directly going to come on the match types. So guys, these are the match types which are available. One is the broad match types, other is the broad modifier match type. Then you have phrase match type, exact match type, and negative match type. These are all match types which are available. That means if anyone searches for the query, if you set the match type as broad match type on your keyword, and this is the keyword, for example, buy camera online Nikon, and this is by default. That means if anyone searches with this within this keyword, they search for, they type any one word which matches with this keyword word, then your ad copy will show up, guys, right? So let's say if anyone searches for buy shoes for men, as buy word is matching our word, which is buy. Okay, sure. So guys, broad match type is the default match type which will set automatically on every keyword when you create, right? So this match type will allow your searchers when they search. So let's say this is one keyword, buy camera online Nikon. This is one complete keyword which we have said. Now anyone put a single word which matches with our keyword word, then our ad copy will show up. Look at this example, guys. If anyone searches buy shoes for men, our ad will show up. Reason being, buy word is common in both. In my keyword and the search query, buy word is common. Okay. So if anyone searches, if anyone put camera in their search query, then my ad copy will show up. Irrespective what keyword they are looking for, my ad copy will show up. Reason being, I have said broad match type. On broad match type, that means any of the word, if any person searches and any of the word matches with my keyword, then the ad copy will show up. Getting clear now, Radhika, Veenu, Shivam? Okay. Radhika, about you? Yes, okay. So guys, you can see here on Canon cameras, yes, my ad will show up. Go to school, my ad will not show up because not even a single word matches with my keyword. If it is coming on first place, then definitely it will show up on first place as well. That's the different criteria. That is depending on the ad rank. If the rank is good, position we have got one, then definitely it will show up. And if it might not show up as well. Okay. Then you have online shopping website. Online word is common here, both the broad match and here you can see online is common. So ad will show up. Sony camera, yes, ad will show up. And this is the exact like buy camera online Nikon, yes, ad will show up. Broad match type is clear. Even a single word matches with the search query of the keyword, then definitely ad will show up. Yes, guys, moving ahead to second one, which is broad modifier match type. Here you can see buy camera online. This is the keyword, guys. All the words in the entire keyword phrase should be part of the search query. Here in broad modifier match type, it doesn't matter. Sequence will not matter, but anyone searches, then all the words if coming, let's say buy coming, camera coming, online coming, sequence will not matter how it's coming, but if all these three words are part of the search query, then my ad copy will show up. Okay, I'll read this again. All the words in the entire keyword phrase should be part of the search query. Sequence is not a matter. So if all these three words included in the search query, irrespective of their position, my ad copy will show up. So you can see here, buy shoes for men, guys. If all the three words are there, will it be displayed on the first line? See, we know that is not the criteria that your ad copy will show up in the first line or not. Okay, here it's just why we select the match type, because we want to showcase our ad copy on any of the words. Let's say people who have, who want to showcase their ad copy on buy word also, they will show it. Okay, so this will actually allow user to, let's say my keyword, in my case, if I type digital training online, okay, digital training online, and I set this as broad modifier match type. And if anyone looking for, want to learn digital training online, looking for digital training online, so my ad copy will show up. Doesn't matter the sequence, ad position will not depend on this, on the match type. Ad position will depend on bidding and quality score, which I've already told you. Okay, clear, guys? Don't confuse like that your position will increase or reduce from this. No, your position will matter from bidding and quality score. Keyword match type has no role to get you number one position or number third position. Okay, it's just that your ad copy will show up or not on these particular keywords. Radhika, Shivam, Vinu, is it clear? Okay. All the words, so yeah, as I told you here, the words has to be part here. So buy shoes for men, you can see here buy camera online, only buy word is common. So no, my ad will not show up because all the three words has to be part of the search query, only then my ad copy will show up. Then you have buy online Sony camera. buy online Sony camera. All the three words are coming. So my ad will show up, right? The sequence will not matter how it is coming, but all the three words are part of this, then my ad will show up. Then you have, guys, buy camera Nikon online. So yes, my ad will show up. Online shopping websites, my ad will not show up. Buy camera, not show up. Online camera buy, yes, ad will show up because all these three words are coming. After that, guys, you have phrase match type, which is buy camera online. Let's say this is my query, my keyword, buy camera online. In phrase word match type, guys, all the words in the entire keyword phrase should be part of the search query and in the same sequence. Any particular word added before or after this phrase is not of a significance. So guys, this means that if anyone looking for buy camera online, they add this, it has to come in the same sequence. Whereas in broad modifier, sequence was not of any problem, but here sequence matters. So if any word added prior to buy or after online that is not of any importance, my ad copy will still show up because these three words are coming in the same sequence. So any new word added before or after, still my ad copy will show up, but this has to come in the same sequence. If this is not in the same sequence, then my ad copy will not show up. Okay, guys. So here are the example, like buy shoes for men, ad will not trigger because buy shoes for men, no. Buy camera online of Canon, ad will show up, guys, because this is all in one sequence, and after this, whatever is added, my ad will still show up. If anything added between these, then my ad will not show up. So buy Canon camera online. So my ad will not show up because you can see Canon word is added in between here. Then you have buy camera online in India, ad will show up. Buying cameras online, ad will not show up. Buy cameras online will show up. Singular, plural will not matter, guys. So you can see here it is singular, and here someone is searching for plural. Yes, my ad will show up. Buy online camera, my ad will not show up because it's not coming in same sequence. It has to come in the same sequence. Sony buy camera online, yes, ad will show up because this word added before buy word, okay, and not coming in between anything. So that is phrase match type. Clear? We'll come on the negative match later. After this, we have phrase match type, we have exact match type, guys. That means exactly, no before, no after, no in between. Exact sequence. Buy camera online means all the words in the entire keyword phrase should be part of the search query in the same sequence, and no words to be included prior or after the words. Okay, so it has to be in the same sequence, same number of words, no new addition of word, only then my ad will show up. Buy camera online, ad will show up. Buy camera online of Canon, ad will not show up. Buy Sony, buy camera online, ad will not show up. Are all these points clear, guys? All these phrases, sorry, these keyword match types. Then, guys, you have negative match also. You can tell AdWords like these are the words. If anyone add these words like Canon India in this Sony search query, your ad copy should not show up. Okay, so if anyone, let's say you are dealing into Nikon camera, and if anyone searches for Canon, you don't want your ad copy to show up, so you just add Canon in the negative match. So anyone searches buy camera online of Canon, your ad will not show up because you are dealing in Nikon, let's say. And buy camera online in India, your ad will not show up because that is added in negative match. So if you can say buy camera online in Canada, yes, your ad will show up. So the words that you are going to add in the negative match, and if anyone searches with those words, your ad will not show up. Okay, guys, is it clear? Can't understand this. Negative match, guys, if you are, let's say, dealing into Nikon camera here, negative match. These are the just the words that you can add. Okay, it's, let's say you are dealing in Nikon, and if anyone searches for Canon, you don't want your ad copy to show up. Your ad copy will only show up in Nikon, and if anyone searches for Canon, your ad will not show up. Got it, Menu? Clear? Guys, is it all clear? Venu, Shivam, Radhika? Yes. Okay, guys, great. So, guys, quickly I'll tell you the annotations here. So, when I'll visit AdWords, guys, here can you see these are the keywords. So, when you click on this keyword, guys, here you can change the match type. So, you can only see broad, phrase, exact, and broad is selected by default. And when you say phrase match, okay, save it. So when you select phrase match, these inverted commas, your keyword will be added into these inverted commas. Can you see? Let it just get saved first. Taking some time. Not saved. Yes, saved. So guys, can you see? It's added within inverted commas. Phrase match type, this is the annotation. Through this, you can see which match type it is in. So when you see inverted commas, that means yes, this is the phrase match type. And to make the keyword broad modifier, because you can see broad match type here, to make it broad modifier, guys, it's just that you have to add plus sign in front of each word. Okay, so if I add, sorry, plus sign in against each word, it will become broad modifier, and now it is broad modifier, guys. And when I say exact match, guys, exact match, it will come into these brackets. Open bracket, close bracket, and save it. So guys, can you see? And now here in the document, I'll just tell you. So you can see here for broad match type default, there is no annotations. It's just simple. Broad modifier plus sign. Plus sign is the annotation. You just need to add plus sign in front of every word, guys. Can you see here? Plus by camera, plus online. Okay. That means any word can be added anywhere here. The sequence does not matter. Then phrase match type, the inverted commas, right? The sequence, that's mean that is in sequence. Okay, here you can see it's coming in the inverted commas. By camera, online. And anything can be added prior and after, not in between. Whereas exact match types, bracket open and close. That is exact. Nothing can be added prior or after. Clear, guys? All these options. Mostly, I can tell you from my experience, phrase match type is used mostly, guys. Don't go for broad match type ever, because that will give you unnecessary clicks, which is not required, and you will get into finish your budget. So all these points clear, guys? And from here, you can add your negative keywords, guys. Add negative keyword. Here you can type in all the keywords which you don't want. Let's say free. If anyone looking for free digital marketing course, I don't want to showcase my ad copy to them, right? Free shipping, free delivery and all. Anything you can add here in the negative keywords. Clear? Guys, any doubt, any queries in the keyword match types? Yes, Radhika, I will just share it right away if I can. Radhika. Shivam. Guys, is it clear? Any query, any doubt? So guys, I would want you to practice. Okay, and if you guys have any doubt, then I will address the same in the next class, which will be on Saturday, guys. Saturday, we will be having a class, same time, same link. Okay. So the document is being shared now. So in the next class, guys, we are going to create the ad copy. We are through with the ad groups where we have added the keywords, and we have also done the keyword match time. Okay, and with the link to documents. Okay, I'll see if I get some time to create one, Vinu. That's gonna take some time. Sure, I'll try my best to share as early as possible. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We are good to wind up, I believe. And in the next class, we are going. Okay, sure, we'll do that. In the next class, I'm going to tell you about the ad copy, right? So guys, till then, please keep practicing on AdWords till the point that we have covered. Okay, thank you guys. Good night and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye for now. Take care. See you on catch you on Saturday, guys, with the same time, same link.